Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life. I'm here today. I'm actually just recently arrived home from our craft tours trip to England that I went on with Vanessa Gertson and 30 lovely quilters. I'm actually filming this before I leave so that I have a few things to share with you that I'm sharing with the women and men on the trip. And also we're going to put in some footage from the trip. So this is kind of a little wrap up. We will also talk about this in an upcoming podcast episode. So a few more details there, but thought it would be really fun to get this video ready for you before I went because we're going to do some fun projects while we are there. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll share the new quilt projects and you'll get to see some pictures from the trip. Okay, as I mentioned in the introduction, I'm sharing a project that is for our London trip that Vanessa Gertson and I did with craft tours. As you're watching this video, we are home, but I'm actually filming this before I go. But each of us do a little project on the trip with the women and men who are on the trip, but it has to be something without a sewing machine. So I decided to do English paper piecing. What better place to do it than in England? And so I'm teaching that method, taught that method on the trip. And so we were making these little English grandmother's flower garden blocks. And so I wanted to give them a fun project that they could use those flowers in and also kind of remind them of their trip. So I came up with this little mini quilt, and it's a spool. My quilt has the spool fabrics are actually from Midsummer, but I used mostly, all strawberry lemonade on this one for my flower block. And I just thought it would be so fun to hang up in my sewing room, and also that the ladies could also hang that up in their sewing room and just have a little reminder of the trip. I did just put the little, you've probably seen this before if you've watched my how to hang a mini quilt video, but I just made some fabric triangles to hold a dowel rested on a couple nails. But anyway, as I was getting the pattern ready, I thought, wow, this would also make a really fun kind of bigger quilt. So I did a 4-block wall hanging, and just again, such a fun idea, a fun project for your sewing room or for a mini quilt. And so we do have the limited edition pattern Garden Spools, England edition. I didn't print a ton of these, so when they run out, they run out. But I do have the PDF version available as well. And anyway, the pattern has both projects, the 4-spool wall hanging and the 1-spool mini quilt. And then now we're just going to put up some photos from the trip. We started out in Birmingham at the Birmingham Festival of Quilts. Super excited to be able to see that incredible show. And then we traveled throughout the countryside. We went to the Cotswolds, and we spent some wonderful time in more rural areas in England. And then we did finish up our trip in the city of London, and probably Liberty of London is the one thing that Vanessa and I had been talking about, how excited we were both going to be able to go to that shop. But put up a few more pictures for you to look at and enjoy. And then I will also, of course, be back to give lots more feedback about the trip in an upcoming podcast episode. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the pictures that we were able to put up for you. And then just one more comment about the little sticker. I had these made for the women on the trip, and there are a few of those left over in the shop as well while supplies last. Thanks so much for stopping by to listen to this. I hope you enjoyed it. The Garden Spools Limited England Edition pattern is available now, and I've got it in paper and PDF. And then I also have some of these stickers left over. I gave them to the women on the trip, but I have, while supplies last, there are some of these available for purchase as well. And I hope you enjoyed learning about these projects, the Garden Spools, wall hanging, and mini, and I hope you enjoyed seeing some of the photos from our trip. If you enjoyed today's video, please share it with a friend, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.